How to sign up for the PartnerStack affiliate program in Nigeria. Hey guys, in today's video we'll guide you through the process of signing up for the PartnerStack affiliate program in Nigeria. PartnerStack is an incredible platform that connects business with affiliates, and the affiliate program offers you a chance to earn commissions while promoting valuable products and services. So if you are eager to join the PartnerStack affiliate program in Nigeria, let's dive right in. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of signing up, let's briefly talk about what the PartnerStack affiliate program is. This program allows you to earn commissions by promoting PartnerStack's platform, which is a hub for business and affiliates to collaborate and grow together. You can see this interface on my screen. You can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you will land on this page. Then you need to click on Become an Affiliate Partner. Then click on Apply Now. Then you will be directed to an affiliate application form. Here you will need to provide some essential information including your full name, email address, contacts, information about your promotional method or your website. After filling out the application form and agreeing to the terms, click on Create your PartnerStack account. I'll sign in with Google. After filling out the application form, you need to agree with the term of service of PartnerStack. Click on I have read and agreed to PartnerStack terms of submit, and then you need to click on submit. Upon submitting your application, you will need to patiently wait for PartnerStack to review and approve it. Approval time can vary, so hang tight during this process. Once your application is approved, you will receive access to your affiliate dashboard. This is where you will find valuable resources including your affiliate links, promotional materials, and tools to track your performance. Congratulations! With access to your affiliate dashboard, you can now begin promoting PartnerStack's platform using your unique affiliate links. Whenever someone joins through your link, you will earn commissions. And there you have it, the step-by-step guide on how to sign up for PartnerStack affiliate program in Nigeria. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.